Hey guys, I'm back today with another Amy Lee makeup tutorial. This is another look that was requested, and of course I have a picture of that look to show you now. Okay, so that is the makeup look, the picture I went off of for this. And if you want to see how to do this on yourself, keep watching. Okay, for this tutorial I used the 120 color palette from BH Cosmetics. This is the second edition. Also City Color Glow Duo and Pixi by Petra Festive Eyes palette. I also used Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection, Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, Maybelline Lipstick in Nude Lust, along with lip liner from Wet n Wild in Willow, Wet n Wild eyeliner, pencil liner in black, and Black Radiance KAJAL black eyeliner. Pure fully charged mascara. Here are the brushes I used for this look listed out. Alright, let's begin. As usual, we're going to grab our concealer and we're going to start with the concealer as a base for all the eyeshadows. You can layer this by applying primer and then concealer if you want more staying power. Okay, so now we pat it down with our finger to smooth it out. Now we're going to put it away and grab the BH Cosmetics palette. We're going to go into a cool toned purple that is a little bit shimmery. I guess it's a satin finish. I didn't have a shimmery finish, so I had to use this. But if you need a shimmery look and you don't have a shimmery eyeshadow, I'm going to show you how to create a shimmery look. So we're going to start by applying it with a shading brush all over the eyelid, and then we're going to blend it out with a blending brush. Going back into that purple with the blending brush just to add a little more and to blend it at the same time. Next, we're going to go into a small precision brush or pointed brush, and we're going to apply the same shade underneath the eye. Switching to the Naked Cosmetics palette, and with the blending brush we're going to add this purple tone highlight, and this is how you can make it into a shimmery. You can add a highlight that matches, or you can add a lighter shimmery type of eyeshadow. Okay, now switching to a precision brush, we're going back into the purple highlight and we're going to apply it under the eye and on the inner corner. Okay, now taking the Pixi by Petra Festive Eyes and a different blending brush, I went into this more, I don't know what to call it, beige, peachy beige type of shimmery shade, and applied it on the upper half of the eyelid, brow bone, and everything. Okay, now it's eyeliner time. We're going to use two different eyeliners. This is a KAJAL. It's very smooth, so it's very easy to work with. I'm using this just to line the top of the eye. Next, taking the pencil eyeliner, we're going to lift the eye gently and get in between the eyelashes to really darken that line. going into the inner corner of the eye and lining underneath. You're going to line your whole eye, and also you're going to line your waterline. Next, I'm going to take that smudge brush and smooth out the top eyeliner. Okay, grabbing the mascara, coat the eyelashes really well, just the top ones, and if your eyelashes curl easily like mine, just hold the wand there for a few seconds and it will make your eyelashes curl up. Next, with the City Color Glow Duo, we're going to go into the darker shade with a blush brush, and any dark highlighter that is too dark for your skin will work for this, as long as it's not too dark. So we're applying it as a blush, a shimmery blush. Lip liner and lipstick time. This time we're going to line the lips in, we're going to fill them with the lip liner. And then apply the lipstick on top. Making that disappear, and the look is done. Alrighty, that is it for today. I really hope you enjoyed that tutorial and that you like the look. If you do like the look and you love Amy Lee, give this tutorial the thumbs up. Even if you don't like Amy Lee, which I don't know. If you don't, well, that's because you don't know. Give my video the thumbs up anyway to show me that you like the makeup. Yeah. Alright, and until next time, guys, rock on. So for this hair, it's already done, but all you have to do is, I have naturally kind of weird wavy hair, so this is my hair after I washed it and air dried it. This is what it does. It's not really curly, it's not really straight, it doesn't know what it's doing, it's midway. So this is just my hair naturally. If you want to, I don't know, do it, then you have to like make some curls and then loosen the curls, you know. I guess that's how you would do it. But the way I did it is I just made a deep part on the side, put it over, and then I teased it. I teased and teased underneath, and I teased a little bit in the back, just a little bit. Combed it over like this and then sprayed it with some hairspray. If you guys are curious about this hair, it's pretty simple. I mean, there's not much to it. And then, you know, you just kind of go like this. After you spray it, go like that. And let your hair just be. Yeah. I'm actually tired. And I'm really, really sore. I amped up my workout because I've been wanting to shed a little bit of weight. Not a lot, maybe like 10-15 pounds that I don't want to carry. So I don't want to be really thin. Like 3 years ago I was really, really thin because I used to work out a lot, but I don't want to be like that anymore. I like being thicker, but not that thick to where like my clothes are not comfortable. And if you're overweight, you might understand when like clothes just cut into you. And even if you get the right size, if you're bigger on the bottom like I am, it's really hard to get like pants that actually fit right. And then you don't want to get 2 sizes bigger because then they're huge on the waist. I have a hard time with that. So I want to shed a little bit of weight. And I'm really sore. I was working out for 15 to 20 minutes at the most. And the workouts I do are weightlifting mixed with cardio and body exercises. So I go from one to the other, giving myself just a few seconds of like breathing, you know, because you have to give yourself a little bit. I'm giving myself too much to get through all the exercises. But I amped it up to, increased it to 35 minutes. And man, I am so sore. I worked out twice this week already. 35 minutes. And whew, let me tell you, my legs are killing me. I don't really diet. I'm not the dieting type. I try to just eat like in moderation if I can. No, I try to be moderate about my eating. And I do love making myself shakes. That's one thing I look forward to every day is my shake, because there's all kinds of good stuff in there. Lose 10 to 15 pounds and I don't know, maybe just get a little more toned, because I have a lot of muscle in my body, but you can't see it because I'm carrying an extra layer over it that kind of just doesn't show it, and I just look chunky. In my eyes, I just look chunky. I don't even look toned. And I know there's muscle there, but it's like hidden. It's in there underneath the layer. Anyhow, enough of that. Yeah, I'm gonna go finish my shake.